Good morning, girlies. So today we are doing Reputation. So I decided let's go all in and wear a black top. Don't mind my hair, it's still drying. It has a gel cast, so I'm at the ghost out in a minute. So we're doing Reputation, so let's get to it. So let's do this on this eye. So first you're going to need is a fluffy brush. This one's by Morphe. I like this one. And you're going to need a cream. I'm using the Jaclyn Hill palette volume 2. And I'm going to go in with Clarified. And I'm just going to do that. And then I'm just going to blend this all over my lid. So you're just going to blend this all over. Do this a little bit more. Your lid. Okay. Once it's like that, you're going to go in with another, like, creamy color. This is the ColourPop Nude Mood Palette. I'm just going to go in with this one, too. And put that all over my lid. Like that. And then, hold on. I'm going to find the brush I'm looking for. Okay. And then you're going to go in with a really dark brown and, like, one kind of lighter. And you're going to mix the two. This is in the Morphe X James Charles palette. Because these are the only palette I have that is, like, have those color browns. And then, if this makes any sense, you're going to put this on the lower half of your eyelid. Just on your lower half. So go in some more. And I'm just going to do that like so. So it looks like that. And then I'm going to take a fluffy brush. This is the Morphe M513. And then I'm just going to blend. Blend until you do not see any harsh creases or lines or anything. So I'm going in circles, back, forth, until I get that it looks like I'm starting to, like, the lines are starting to disappear. And then go back. I'm going to go in with, this is a Wet n Wild brush. It's more fluffier. And I'm just going to go in there. I'm going back in with that same brush I started with, and it goes back in with the darker brown. Oops, sorry. I'm going with this brown right here. Just off any excess. And I'm just going to put this on my lower lash line. Like so. Kind of bring it out just a little bit, not too much. And then again, I'm going to go back in with the fluffy brush, and we're just going to blend it out. I look like a raccoon. Okay. And then, not my favorite part at all, we're going to go in with a black. You can go with a liquid liner, or this is what I like better. I'm going to go with a black eyeshadow on an angled brush. And a little tip, that's what I do, is I squeeze my brush a little bit, just so it's more sharp. And then I'm just going to, again, follow my eye. I want to do a little bit, I do a little wing. And then I go back, a little bit longer, and then I go back. And I'm just going to fill it in very carefully. And then I bring it all across my lid for a smoky eye like this. Now, this is not a very good smoky eye. This is my first time ever doing a smoky eye like this, so bear with me, because first time ever doing one like that. And then I'm gonna pop on some lashes, and I'll be back. Now that I've got my lashes on, I'm just gonna throw on some bottom mascara, and there we go. That is the alrighty, girl. This is the finished look. I think it's cute. The eyes could have more, but it's cute. So I'll see you tomorrow.